grow. This is my year-round strawberry mini greenhouse. I used some painter's wrap, some garden stakes, some anti-bird netting, rocks, some anti-weed garden fabric stuff, some saran wrap on the very top, put it as slant, and I'll put some mulch in it later. Might pull some tiny holes, but basically keep the bugs out without using insecticide. Although I do put some insecticide around the edges of it, on that edge, so on the south side, because on the north side, where the water, basically opposite direction from where it drains. And my year-round strawberry patch. This is just one of them. A small start. And actually I got a couple berries in there, and then I open it up from this side to get in. I have it on rolled at a roll so that I can lift it up easily at the very end, on either side when I want to pick the berries, which I see a little flower on there. Yeah. One of them's got a little flower. Yeah. And each one has a berry. I've already took a clipping off of each one, so I put some seed grow powder and dip the clipping off of that to start a new plant.